Hi, good morning, guys. Just here to update you on what's the latest on my backyard project. As you can see back here, backside of the study house, it's very clean now. At least I took out all the wood that I stored back here. So I got quite, yeah. So I got this much left over from all the wood that I want to recycle. I'm gonna work on that and hopefully use up most of this. Uh, yeah, I found, so this is also part of those that I stored them back here. Yeah, for the past 3 or 4 years. Yeah, I use this. What do you call this, guys? Shoe horse or whatever. Yeah. So I use them, put all those wood on top of them. I've been using them up for the deck. So yeah, I have to do a little bit of the landscaping here. But the very first thing I did was making sure that the drainage is good. So if you can see, if you put water down on my sidewalk, it's moving away from my house. I'm not worried about this study house because it has wood foundation. Very, very, very strong foundation. It's a small house too, so yeah. Yeah, so I use up the rocks for a pathway. Yeah, so you can see it's I pour fast dry concrete, and yeah, I also found all these rocks on Facebook Marketplace, and then I went and picked them up for free from a guy up in SeaTap. I also stored them, and now I'm using them. So I use a couple of here, and some of those rocks are used on the side of this sandbox temporarily, but I'm gonna replace those and put the wood down, safer for the kids. I also work on this sprinkler for the back room for my grandkids. I just put some holes there, and let's see. We go. Let's turn it on so I can show you how I operate it. There we go. Turn it on, and there's a sprinkler. This is for on hot summer days. Yeah, for my grandkids. Goes all the way up. Obviously, I'll put a switch there. Yeah. So, and my Yebo finally got to paint the railings. It's not done. She still has a lot more. She needs to paint the door and also the top here. And we need to continue do more landscaping on all sides, including laying the grasses down here. So we have to put on grass. Yeah, replace the wood or the rocks with the wood. Yeah, there's one thing I need to stress here. So from this back side of the house to the property line, it has to be 5 feet for my neighborhood, or the city requires that. So my study house, all sides are at least 5 feet away from the property line. So you need to um, be very cautious when you build something in your backyard. Some cities it's 20 feet, but my city is 5 feet. So my study house is 5 feet away from the property line. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell so you can have you can get all the updates. When we post new videos, you'll get the notification. Okay? God bless you and stay safe out there.